Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I'll be going to share with you one that's the normally say shall never end. Look, this is Progress the Analyst, and here I keep you updated. I bring all the latest happening to you, and I touchlight every information. In fact, I bring the world closer to your doorstep. So, my people, this platform now here we dey call the truth teller. Here is a platform whereby we say it the way it is without missing word. This is a platform whereby we straighten a lot of people where be say their hair they plait dada, especially some people where say that they fight for Biafra, of which we know say they know they fight for Biafra. They are just calling this name to gain relevance. Now, we all know that in 2022, Father Mbaka was one reverend father. In fact, Father Mbaka was so outspoken towards the release of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And they talk am because all these new set of language people, when they call themselves Ada Ondonsho and Ada Ndele and Ada Gedegede, this new set of non-entity, they just discovered that speaking about Biafra, we give them a lot of relevance, or speaking about Biafra, we make a lot of people to know them. See, the way this set of people, they fight for Biafra now, if na so it happen for the time of Ojukwu, even the time of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, if na like this they take fight am, people no go open their mouth to speak for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This foreigner, when he fall come from one place where be say he just land, the first time that this woman start speaking about Biafra, she said that she is from the Gauls. Ada Gedegede. She said everything she's saying, she don't lie. She say na the spirit now they control her. Na the purpose when she take win the Biafran people. This the same Ada Gedegede. 2022, when Father Mbaka they talk about the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, she's nowhere to be found. Now today now her day call break when she called they call Father Mbaka for this. Listen.
Father Mbaka, even on a mekwegi, ebi nwere ike, why can't you tiaka kawadida Mazi Nnamdi Kanu put up Father Mbaka in your federal government? So say be kegu kanilike witi di aka na rota yoge chuku or Njaka say American nata. Why can't you use that ike tiaka kandini naturalize in a Biafra land in naturalize in the church again? Poor from Biafra land.
Yourself
Now
when you
these
say,
people that pass me what ties.
yourself when you say you be Ada Gedegede. You don't have power.
When you keep that social media, both so for them back. Why can't you use that? What put our leader one day go okay? No, please, no, I can't do DSS. Getting to 6 years now.
Why can't you use your own power? You say you also have power now. Ada Gedegede. Use your power.
Send the front in the naturalize. Umajan. Ndina your church. Imamado your church members of Madone Flani Burone. Flani terrorist. Not all Flani because of Flani will indeed the good and they are the good people. Not Flani. We have to differentiate them. Because so much in the support, under siege. Let this man call for the Mbaka, Tiakanana, call this terrorist. Terrorists are not terrorizing the Bay, can't fall from our land. Why can't him to use this power to save our people? Naka invaders. Fulani invaders. They terrorize our land. They put us on my job. I'm going to have church again. Everyone, Ike. Oh, yeah, we tiaka ni walutagi. Ike gang. It's America. What a money. Tiaka na waluta. Ike can see now. See all these terrorists in on our land. They terrorize and then too far from our land. When Ike gang, Tiaka gang, Popota Wadida. Liberated Biafrans. Because I hope that all the Biafrans now they liberated today. But I'm going to liberate Biafra for you. Why are you people? Why wouldn't you move to Muma?
You don't know what you are
why
fighting.
Why wouldn't you disgrace someone? So don't make disgrace on me. Hey, Mama Bata. When you went where I did, I saw we into this car, go trim, no labor and alcohol. I didn't better. So, I even know when you were. For the back and when he came, every time I know quick, and he kept for the back and Mama Born our all these people who snap on their power, and then they use this in their power for something very important.
You, the one you claim you have before.
Everybody from America, you're not here.
Yeah, yes.
Ebana was a goosey. Baby was a canakia. Now the thing now one easy. Now for the back, I can't this nonsense. He can gear. A great reverend father. In fact, every people love you. And I want to certain history saying Afogonia. Mother Paddy Godigu. Or one day just so bad. I'm on job of big of father. I'm maybe Cassie Ball and the Mary. I'll put a confession. Father Mbaka. Or when I can get money now, be confession. Confess, yes, name a jomo. Why can't you forgive when you made Jologeno? Ebe major organ here, Tiaka, Nine Waro Tagi, or Yanatia, or Jerenga. And in a Cindy Mother Nabia confession, 18 in the mother, I don't want a confession, Nakagi, Yogum second amateur or Nozo, is there in your Pipia, or Joe Pipia, Chupa Halia. But I go on one never name a mother to the confession, I will as be fake. That confession I didn't exist. You never know why that's no young Margot and I can carry out to Hariana, the only Margot and Tinkai,
go and sit down.
Only thing I call I hear. Now for them Mbaka.
Keep quiet.
You them so much because I love you so much.
You are lying.
I respect you so much.
Told you.
I know when some certain things on the minute when you were. Only they preach when something. None any example if they preach.
You call. Is it the example of Biafra that you are running? Yes, me. Oh, Adanyonto. Onyonto. Onye beribe. Onyondele. Apwa. Onye beribe. Onyondele. Apwa. Shut up.
Father Mbaka we reverend father. Ya biko ya act like a reverend father.
You yourself act like Biafra.
Certain things are overlook.
Go and sleep. Go and sit down.
Overlook konya. And the power ya pana use all this power ebe personally use here.
You yourself that say you are one of the chief prince. Why don't you use your power?
I like him.
Go and sleep.
Wow. Always go Father Mbaka and kind of good. And then when the no mazi. I'm on that now.
This woman, something is wrong with her.
I did a confession. In your people, what I say, I say, Zamuzanuka. What a chaplet you pay 20 times. What a one name.
She not correct upstairs. The brain they skip. Sleep, my friend. Now, my question is, she that is calling a Reverend Father Mbaka to speak or to use his power to release Nnamdi Kanu. This the same woman claimed to be spiritual. This the same woman said she is adagedegede, that she speaks, she dine, she eats with spirits. Now, all those juju where you say you they serve, that time when you newly come social media, when you deceive people, say you they speak the voice of the gods, all those spirits no fit help you to release Nnamdi Kanu. And your Obato beer where you claim say you so much love Simon Ekman when everybody knows say you not love him, you be just sabo spies. When they say come this Biafra freedom make it call the torchlight, they talk out of points. Wear those your bead where you dey wear for neck like a Senegal people with the ones where you dey wear for head where you newly join social media, can't find money, can't destroy everything where be say Nnamdi Kanu they fight for. You see your life? I tell you say you go learn. Father Mbaka, the time when they suspend Father Mbaka 2022. Wetin happen na because say Father Mbaka dey outspoken then he really stand and really blast the leaders for the release of Nnamdi Kanu, your leader, when you say you so much love, of which for a very long time they don't hear the name of Nnamdi Kanu for your mouth. Now this woman make all these Biafra people stop this adagedegede from calling Biafra name, yeah, because she never mean well for the Biafran people. In fact, now this woman they use mouth, they tell people say the Biafra freedom they are all criminals. Now this woman, see open mouth they tell people say the way that they fight for Biafra, say they are not fighting for Biafra, say they are just fighting for position. In fact, now she use the mouth they talk say make anybody not trust Biafran people, say they be all terrorists. So now this type of people you want to fight Biafra freedom with. That is why I remind her, where was she 2021-22 when Father Mbaka was speaking about the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that makes him to have problem 2021-22 where this ada gede. I tell am, if you not get body, not put body, because this freedom where you say you dey fight, where you jump come dey fight, e no go favor you. I am telling you. But tell me, or let me remind you, you go learn the hard way. All this set of people that claims they are fighting for Biafra, that don't even know the reason why they are calling that name Biafra. You see, that is why I said, with this nuisance that they are committing on social media, which country will recognize these people? Which state won't even join this group of Biafra freedom fighters? For the first time, nobody want mingle with all these people that they claim they are fighting for Biafra. Nobody want to mingle with them. I'm just saying it the way it is. Nobody want to mingle with them because they insult people randomly. They don't even verify their information. They lied against people. This set of people, as this are that gede onyoncho undele, as she talk am, they are all criminals, including, in fact, now she be the baba. Now she be the origin of this problem now when it dey now where be say they fight Biafra now upside down. Not be the way Ojukwu fight and where be say people were even ready to commit themselves. The what they do right now is on social media. Now they fight anybody when you not buy to their opinion, they go won't fight you. Is this the Biafra you want to give to people? Biafra whereby if you not buy to their own opinion, if you did not support them, if you say, no, my brother, my sister, this thing you are saying, I don't support this, they go say, wetin make you talk am? Say they won't turn your enemy. They won't buy your enemy. Is this the type of Biafra you want to join? A Biafra whereby you don't have freedom of speech, a Biafra whereby you are not free to express yourself. Hey, my people, make una run come. Who want join all this no-net say they fight for Biafra? If you join them, you are on your own. I say me. This is the time for me now to speak. Yes, so this is the time for me to speak, to tell everybody that these people that are not fighting for Biafra. Never. If you not accept anything when they talk, if you don't buy their idea, they go say, they will come for you, my people. This is the time for us now to expose them. Hey, my people. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst. I am here to set the record straight. In fact, this type of person, they never come across this type of Progress the Analyst before. They think, say, this one, now those days when they go stop us from speaking the truth. Never.